Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about we need to prove about this one. So now I will show you how to prove in here. So we know that the integration that is about antiderivative. Now I will put about this one into about the function. Now we need to do first derivative of this one. That means we need to do first derivative of s to the power of n plus 1 and see in here. Next we have the formula. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do capital A s to the power of a minus 1. So a in here, that's about n plus 1. And later that we have capital A minus 1. And the second one, this one, that is about the constant. So if we do first derivative of this one, you got 0. Now we applied the formula in here. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. N plus 1 divided by n plus 1, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.